Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube banner. So first you need to go to your Google browser, then search your Canva. So here it is. Now go for this first link, which is canva.com. So if you don't have a Canva account, then sign up for free, or if you already have an account, then log in. So once you are logged in, click on create a design here. So and now you have to search for YouTube banner. Okay, so you can see next to it dimensions for YouTube banner, which is 2560 pixels wide and 1440 pixels tall. So go for it. Okay, wait for a second. So when you are land on this page, you can see all of your options are here. uh, then there is style, text, uh, brand, uploads. Okay, now you can choose a template from here. Okay, I will choose this one. You can customize it by changing the text, images, color, and other elements. So okay, I'll write here. Okay, you can write here whatever you want. I'll write here initial solution. Now you can resize it from here. Okay, so I write here 150 and edit this. Okay, again I'll type here, do it more easiest way. You can write whatever you want. Then I'll edit this thing from here, and you can upload files uh, from your desktop. Okay, I'll choose this one here and resize it. If you want to use own image, you can upload them by clicking on uploads. Then upload an image or video. So now you can edit text. Simply click on the text here. You can also change the font and size, color, alignment using the option that appear. You can choose this ready font also. Okay, so now you can arrange this layer from right click and go to layer and You can bring this forward or backward. Okay, now you can see. So I'll go it. Okay, wait for a second. Now you can see. This is how you can layer your all these things. Then once you are satisfied with your banner, click on the share button here. Then choose, go scroll down and choose the download section and choose your format as PNG, JPG, etc. and go for download. So then you have successfully created your banner using the free version of Canva. This is how you can create your banner, YouTube banner. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos.